it allows you, if you're a maintenance manager or a superintendent, it allows you actually to discuss work standards and machine standards with the guys in your team, and also relay your expectations of what good looks like.
I suppose quality of work or standards of machine, it's something that's very difficult to measure, right? So getting out there and having a look is some way to get an understanding of where you're at. Yeah, it is. Our service sheets have some very specific information about the quality required to have a reliable piece of equipment. I'll use hydraulic hoses as an example. Often there's a portion in a service sheet that says check the integrity of the hoses, the routing, leaks, rubs, and it'll be one line item for something that is actually super critical to the entire machine. Now, do you want the maintainer to go over every hose? Probably not, but they need to go over enough of the machine to really look for things. And in a defect challenge, you've got 20 minutes, and it's amazing how many of those things you can find in 20 minutes. So if you've got 12 hours allocated to service and maintain a machine, and you've got a specific check in a service sheet, then I'm pretty confident most competent maintainers should be able to find the things that you typically find in a defect challenge. Yeah. So defect challenge is really something that we're allowing people to download. It's such a simple thing, you probably don't need to download it, but you can. And it really is just two people having a competition to see who can find the most defects, right? Have you ever won the challenge? I've never won the challenge, and I've done it with maintenance managers, superintendents, supervisors, maintainers. I've never won a challenge. But the point's always been made. Yeah. The realisation of whether there's a problem or not has always come out. Yeah, it can, and it can be quite embarrassing for some of your competitors to, when they understand, they have a close look at one of their machines and they go, "Ooh dear, I didn't realise it was in my business is in this state." Yeah. Obviously, you're only looking at one machine, but if you go and do it a few times across your fleet, and if you just choose random machines rather than the ones are your black sheep of the family, then you'll get a reasonable feel for what is your machine quality really like. Yeah.